are here in the Basque Country, north of Spain, and we are very well known by building big machines. So Ibarmia, I could say, produces premium machines, top-level machines, very strong machines, high capacity, but also very precise, very reliable, and most of our machines are 5-axis and multitasking.
We offer a bunch of solutions and options to make easier the use of our machines by cameras, by options for connectivity, by options for technological cycles, make things easy. And the combination of the easy and the use give us the profitability. That is really the final goal of our customers.
These machines are suitable for any company that has serial production, parts from 1.2 swiveling up to 3.6 meter swiveling capacity. We have many customers doing from medium-sized parts to big-sized parts, so it can suit from general workshops to yellow good manufacturers, mould makers because of the HC head specifically, or even aerospace, defense, semiconductor. So the sector is not the problem, or the drive is the kind of application the customer has.
So this machine is an example of a very high customized machining center, but based on our technology, the technology of the moving column concept. The aim here was to machine a workpiece of 4.3 meter length below 1 minute.
Wow.
The third series are moving column and fixed table machines. We can work in pure 3-axis, what is the ZB machines, but we can also work in up to 5 axis, thanks to our tilting head and the rotary tables, which are the ZBH machines. In both models, we can work in extreme or multi-process machines that are for milling and positioning in the extreme case, and for turning and milling in the multi-process case.
When we say multi-process machine, it's a machine that is not only able to do a milling, but also turning, grinding, and even gear cutting by means of power skiving or hobbing. So multi-process is a kind of integration of many machines, many machining capabilities in only one single spindle. And not only that, the machine is also able to do turning with the part stationary. So without rotating the part, you can do turning by means of 2 ways. One way is interpolated turning. This is quite usual, but what is in our case what was a little bit different from others was that we can incorporate an automatic loading and unloading of an additional head, which is able to do an interpolated turning by means of a U-axis. So with the spindle, without moving the part, you can do turning operations.
Mainly we part the automation in bigger components and smaller components, also all linked to the machine size. For example, in the small sizes we go to a commercial, and I'm speaking about the T-series, for example, but in the big sizes we go to our pallet pool. That is a very good solution for these big sizes that we manage in Ibarmia with the big machines.
Automation should make things easy to minimize the expertise of the operator in the machine, to minimize also the efforts and the knowledge of the people working the machine. And it's the concept of creating your own machine. I mean, to give the best solution, the good enough solution to fulfill all the requirements. This is the concept that goes in the IDN of Ibarmia.
Are you finding a lot of success with your technology cycles then?
Yeah, because they are really important to use the machine in the best way. I mean, if not, you are using the machine in the 10% or 20% of its capacity, so it makes no sense. So it's really really good to see the customer using this functionality and having more and more performance from the machine than if they are not using it. We have developed technology cycles to give an answer to the market, because we see that there are still less and less qualified people to use the machines, and the machines are more and more complex, so we have a gap here. And we have developed the technology cycles to make the machine easier to use and to add more functionalities, but in an easy way to the machine.
We have the partition wall from the smallest 1.5 meter course to 12 meters. Who's gonna use it? Someone who wants to increase the productivity and combine different operations. It's like having two machines in one.
Yes.
You can combine vertical turning in one side of the machine with horizontal milling in the other. So you are doubling the production and doubling the capabilities of the machine. It's like having two machines in one.
Shape your solution means build your machine together with Ibarmia. We are always looking for the future in Ibarmia, and right now we are developing what, in my opinion, is going to be the best moving column machining center in taper 40 size, and also in the large format portal types of our team models. And more things will come in the future.